Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your problem on TikTok app. To know how to fix or how to solve your TikTok app problem, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list you will enter to the window of TikTok. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your phone again. If it's not working you can go to Play Store. You will uninstall your app. Then you can wait a moment to install again your application to fix that problem on TikTok. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.